Hello everyone, it feels good to have you here. Welcome to this short tutorial. So the idea behind this tutorial is to give you a quick overview on how to register for TestFest API Hackathon, right? So the very first thing you need to do is to launch the right URL. So if you look here, you can see TestFest API hackathon.devpost.com. So as soon as you launch the URL, you should be directed to this page, right? The next thing you need to do is to click the Join Hackathon button. As soon as you've clicked this button, you should see a prompt to sign up, right? You can choose however method you're going to use to sign up. But for the sake of this call, I'm just going to choose with email. So please make sure you have access to the email you're using to sign up because you will be required to do an email verification, right? So please make sure you have access to the email, right? So you need to set up your password and then verify that you're human. Scares, okay. Okay, so just go through everything and make sure you're doing it correctly. Also, make sure you have access to the email you're registering with. Right. As soon as you've done that, click the sign up button and you should be directed to this screen. Like I said, you need to verify your email. Right. So just log into your email and then check to see if you've gotten any email. If you follow the steps I said, you should have an email that looks like this. All you need to do is just click the verify my email button and then you should be directed to log back in, right? So I'm just going to log in real quick. Awesome. Now that you're logged in, so you need to quickly fill out this preferences form, right? It's very straightforward. It's nothing serious. So the first question is, what's your specialty, right? All you have to do is select your specialty. If your specialty is not on this list, fear not. You can just click on order and then include your specialty and say quality assurance engineer, product manager. Okay, product manager is here, scrum master, technical writer, whatever you are, just you can just click on the other button and put your specialty here. So I'm just going to do that. What are your skills? You can search for as many skills as you have. So let me see API, UI automation. As many skills as you have, you can just search for it and then input it here, right? Then what type of hackathons are you interested in? Note that this has nothing to do with TestFest hackathon. You can just click on the kind of hackathons you want and you'll be fine. Fintech, enterprise, health, DevOps, whatever you choose, it's your preference. Right. The next thing is to select your location, Lagos, Nigeria. Time zone is West African. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. So, what's your occupation? Are you currently a student? Are you a professional or a postgrad? Are you currently working in tech? Yes. How long have you been working in tech? So, let's say January 1985. Your birth month and your birth year, you can just select whatever you like also, and then you hit the continue button. Nice, nice. So this will then clicking the continue button will then direct you to the registration screen, right? So the first question, this is what the registration screen looks like. The first question is, do you have teammates? If you're working solo, you can select you're working solo, right? Who told you about TestFest, right? TestFest API Hackathon, of course. The bug detective, that you can select the channels where you edit from, whether via email, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. Then you need to make sure that you accept the eligibility requirements and then you click register. Yes. Okay. Awesome. As soon as you've clicked register, you should be directed to the My Project screen, but you can just go back to overview, right? Please make sure you go back to overview. When you get to overview, there are some to-dos that you need to complete, right, to be able to fully qualify to participate in the hackathon, right? So the first thing you need to do is join Slack. As soon as you've joined Slack, hit the complete button. Uh, yeah, hit the complete button. So you read the brief also. So just click on it to take you to the brief. Make sure you read through it and understand it. As soon as you're done, hit the complete button, right? You can also look through the resources, the existing participants, right? And by the time you're done with your to-dos, you fully register to join the API hackathon. So I hope you have fun. There are awesome gifts at the end. So whoever wins it, oh, my internet is just taking me there. Let me just go back to it. So they are very fantastic gifts, right? So if you manage to make it to the end and win, I can assure you that there are amazing gifts waiting for you. So make sure you have fun and put in your best. Thank you.